Hello lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Thank you for tuning in today's video. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make plantain swallow, also known as plantain fufu, without pounding. This is very easy to make, and this swallow is very healthy if you are watching your weights. So let's get started. Here I have some fresh green plantains. To make this, you will need fresh green plantain. I've already cleaned my plantains and I will go ahead by peeling the plantain skin. I have other recipe on how to make a plantain fufu and potato, so you can also check that out. I will leave the link in the description, and also how to make sweet potato swallow as well. Please check out the description. I'm going to put the link there so that you can check it out if you would love to. Once I finish peeling the skin of the plantains, I will go ahead by cutting the plantains into smaller sizes because we're going to be blending this before we start the next process. It depends the type of blender that you are using, so I will go for this size because I don't want this to affect my blender. Once I finish cutting this, I'm going to set it aside. Here are all the plantains. Next, I'm going to get a blender. I'm going to pour the plantain into a blender. Then I will have some water. You need to have some water in order to blend this very well. But if your blender can blend without water, that's fine. You don't have to. I added about 1.5 cup of water. Now I'm going to blend until I get a smooth paste. I have to be shaking my blender because this plantain is not easy to blend like potatoes or yam. At this stage, I've achieved the smooth paste that I need. Now we pour into a pot and I will bring it to cook on a low flame. You will start with a low heat first, if not you're going to get some lump. I had some palm oil. This is to reduce the starch in plantain. Plantain contain a lot of starch, so just add about a tablespoon of palm oil. This is optional, you don't have to add it, but each time I added red oil to my plantains, it reduces the starch in it, and I love it. It doesn't affect the taste or anything in this recipe, so you don't have to add this to yours. I will keep stirring this on a low heat for about 5 minutes, and then I will increase the heat from low to medium heat. At this stage, it seems that there are some lumps, but don't worry, I'm going to get rid of this as the cooking goes on. So I keep stirring this. This doesn't take much time to cook at all. So at this stage it is forming a dough. Like I put it, like it is forming a dough. So I'll keep stirring. As you can see, you cannot see any form of lumps inside this swallow at this stage. I will keep stirring this until it is well cooked. Alright guys, 6 minutes later, this is what it looks like. I will still keep stirring this because it is not ready yet. If you are making this recipe, please use non-stick pot, please. If not, it's going to get burnt. As you can see, this pot is just okay. Everything, the under is very clean. Yeah, it is getting ready now. As you can see, the texture has changed. Right now I'm going to add some hot water. Once I add the water, I will cover the pot or cook it for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I've come back to check on the fufu on fire. I'm going to give it a I'm going to turn it again for some few minutes. This is very light, soft, and easy to eat. I love plantain swallow lots with okra soup. Yeah, any draw soup, but I prefer okra. So I finished turning the plantain and I've taken it off from the gas cooker. Now I will start by wrapping them. This is for 2 people, so I'll just wrap the plantain into 2. If you watch this video to this very moment, I say a big thank you to you. Thank you for your amazing support. I appreciate you. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This is the second one and we are done. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.